This is Samal Island, tropical paradise just off the coast of Davao City in the southern Philippines. It's an island that's still relatively untouched by mass tourism, but that's quickly changing. I spent a week here recently to escape city life. I didn't vlog this trip, I came mainly to relax, but I did bring the drone. So in this video, I just want to share some of that footage and show you how beautiful Samal Island really is. After leaving Scotland, I spent 3 weeks in Thailand, and honestly, that involved a lot of late nights, parties, and more than a few drinks. Then I headed to Manila for a couple of weeks, also filled with city chaos, traffic, and yes, more drinks. So I decided it was time to recharge. I randomly booked a remote house surrounded by nature, the perfect place to slow down, focus on work, and get some peace and quiet. Getting to Samal is actually really easy. You fly into Davao City, take a quick taxi ride to the port, and hop on the ferry. The crossing costs only 20 pesos and takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Barely enough time to take in the view before you arrive. Soon though, that short ferry ride might not even be needed. They're currently building a bridge connecting Davao City to Samal. When it's complete, tourism here is going to explode. To give you some perspective, Samal is much bigger than most people think, about 34 kilometers from top to bottom. I stayed up in the northern part of the island, and all of this footage you're seeing was filmed around that area. Coming from the cold Scottish Highlands and often living in busy Metro Manila, waking up somewhere like this, surrounded by coconut trees, birds and nature, really does something for the soul. The air feels cleaner, time moves slower, and you actually hear yourself think again. Now, one thing I will say, getting around Samal without your own transport can be tricky. My Airbnb was pretty remote, and finding rides would have been impossible. Thankfully, my host Arno and his team were amazing. They helped with lifts, made sure I had everything I needed, and created such a relaxing setup for the guests. If you are planning to visit Samal, I honestly can't recommend their place enough. You can check it out at sunnyhousessaMalIsland.com. If you want to see more of Samal, the waterfalls, beaches and local attractions, I actually have another vlog on this channel from my previous visit, so definitely check that out after this video. This trip reminded me that sometimes you don't need to be chasing adventures every day. Sometimes the best trips are the quiet ones, the ones that give you the space to reset and just appreciate where you are. So that's my little escape to Samal Island, calm tropical week that I'll definitely remember. As for me, I'm now back in Metro Manila, staying in Mandaluyong for the first time, so expect a new video from here very soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Maraming salamat, ingat po.